Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss some important question in the chapter controlling. First question, explain how controlling help in optimizing the organizational goal. The controlling function measure of the performance against the predetermined standard and correct deviations. This help in ensuring that organization is moving on a right track to achieve the organizational goal. In other words, we can say that the controlling process is implemented to take care of the plan. With the help of controlling, deviation are immediately detected and the corrective action is taken. Therefore, the difference between the expected result and the actual result is reduced to the minimum. So, in this way, controlling is helpful in achieving the goal of the organization. Second, judging the accuracy of standard. A sound controlling system help in management to verify whether the standards set are accurate and objective. It keep a careful check on the change which are taking place in the organization. In other words, we can say that while performing the function of controlling, a manager compares the actual work performance with the standard. He tried to find out whether the laid out standard are not more or less than the general standard. In case of need, they are redefined. Next, making the efficient use of resources. By exercising control, a manager seek to be reduce wastage of resources. Each activity is performed in accordance with the predetermined standard and norms. We can say that controlling make it possible to use human and physical resources efficiently. Under the controlling, it is ensured that no employee deliberately delay his work performance. In the same way, wastage is on the physical resources is checked. Next, improving the employee motivation. A good control system ensures that employees know well in advance what they are expected to do and what are standard of performance. Through the medium of controlling, an effort is made to motivate the employee. The implementations of controlling make all the employee to work with complete dedication because they know that their work performance will be evaluated, and if the progress report is satisfactory, they will have their identity established in the organization. By all the important points of the controlling, we can say that controlling is an important function of management. Its importance becomes apparent when we find that it is needed in all the functions of management. Controlling check mistake and tells how the new challenge can be met and faced. The success of organization does things on the effective controlling. Next question, controlling is forward looking or controlling is looking back? Explain. The controlling is forward looking as it must focus attentions on the two things, checking current performance and providing earlier information to achieve result in conformity with the set of standard. Checking on operations should be enabled promote detection of fault before it is too late for remedy. Deviation, if any, should lead to investigation of the factor responsible which may affect the future operation. Remedial actions should be followed so as to prevent the occurrence of the defect thereafter. In other words, we can say that control must be ensure timely detection of deviation and prevention of their repetition in future. And control is called process of looking back as under its actual result as compared with the set standard decided in the past. Next, how does controlling help in achieving objective and improving the employee morale? Controlling help in achieving objective, improving employer morale by following by means controlling help in achieving objective by continuous measuring the performance in the light of organizational goal, bring out the deviation. If any, the indication is corrective action to be taken. Thus, controlling keep the organization on the right track. Controlling improve the employee morale. The implementation of controlling make all the employee to work with complete dedication because they are aware that their performance will evaluated and they will have to chance to build their reputation in the organization. And the employee who saw the good performance are rewarded by giving them the promotion, cash prize, etc. Thank you.